Bitcoin until now is just trading inside our parallel channel. Ngayon po, we are expecting Bitcoin at least to touch the lower part of the parallel channel. Nasa 106,350 na to ngayon, ang lower part ng parallel channel. It also coincides dun sa blue line. Yung blue line natin is around 106,299 eh. Hopefully mag-hold. Ayan, blue line po na yan. Usually pag first touch, okay, based on our experience, first touch, there's a possibility na magbabounce. So, yung iba ginagamit ito for swing plays, diba? So, sige, pasok ka dyan, papasok sila dyan. Okay, and then pag nag-bounce, magbubenta. So, ginagamit po yan for bounce plays. Yung bounce, gano'ng kataas, I don't know. Eto po muna, if you're using our TPI trading system, you know how to draw parallel channel. Look at this, unahin ko muna yung parallel channel resistance just in case mag-bounce tayo 106, 105. Itong pivot area na to, itong dotted line ni parallel channel na yan, and this can be your resistance, so 112. So let's say bumaba ng 106, nakapulot ka, pag tira ng 112, yung iba dyan magtitipi na, itong gitna, ayan, uuntog po eh. Pag tinagos yung gitna, ang next level mo, ito po, itong taas ng parallel channel, na hindi pa tinatamaan, ha? Hindi pa po tinatamaan ulit ito. Last time we touched this was May 10, 104. Ito, hindi pa ito tumama. So tignan natin yon, okay? Upward sloping parallel channel usually breaks to the downside lang ha. So you have to take note of that. I believe this breaks to the downside. Similarly, yung downward sloping parallel channel usually breaks to the upside. This is clear V-shaped recovery. For this to continue, yung bulls, kailangan basagin niya itong parallel channel na to. Pero maganda kasi sa upward parallel channel, kung marunong ka mag-swing trade, malalaro mo lang ito kahit sa spot eh. Diba? Pataas lang siya ng pataas. Kahit di siya bumasag dyan. Kung nasa spot ka, you just buy sa lower portion ng parallel channel and then sell until hindi mo malabas sa parallel channel. So, kumbaga, yun yung realist mo. Doon ka lang nagtitrade sa loob. So, once na mag-break na yan, mag-form na naman posibleng mag-form na naman ng panibago. Mawawala na yung trades mo. So, tapos na yung trade mo ng parallel channel once na bumasag sa taas yan or bumasag dito sa baba.